Hi everyone. I just want to give you updates. Very, very important. You're welcome back. Please make sure you like this particular video. I was just scrolling online, just checking my platforms. Then I stumbled on the post that's DPM made, and I was like, wow. Then after that, I go up a little bit. I now saw the news of the day. As you can see on the title, I purposely put it out there because that is what the video is all about. All right. So, American president wrote to DPM Dr. Orabueze. I don't know how the conversation started, but from the look of things, you can tell that DPM maybe initiated communication to the White House. And in other hands, White House have decided to write back. And DPM shared the letter from American president. She shared it publicly with a kind of tense message in response or in appreciation to the White House, the American government, Donald J. Trump. Now, many of you may know the content or the how the whole thing started. Especially if you are from the cabinet of United States of Biafra, maybe you know a lot about this particular this letter, or how the whole thing happened and the content of the message, the communication that they have exchanged. Maybe you know, maybe you don't. I don't even bother about it, but the joy is overwhelming. I can't hide it. I'm so happy. Why? Because this goes to show that Nahioma Nelowia, Ahioma Nelowia. You don't need to advertise nonsensical things for that to become the best of the best. Packaging negativity can only take a time for you to just expose you. You don't need to package negativity. It is not done on Biafrans, those who actually have followed us, the trend and everything so far. People have realized that, look, people having handshake and all that is not the bone of contention. A few days ago, some people claimed that we saw a man standing with a kind of standing on the podium, I believe, as if the person is giving a speech or lecture, delivering a message or something like that, with the mic, of course. And the caption wrote, "Very soon the news is on the way. Biafran rejoice." Something somehow. Let's put it somehow. And the person that copied, because I don't think he's the one that wrote it. I can tell you that he copied it from somewhere. I don't know the source, but this guy called Okute TV of Ogengere, not the other Okute, not the other of our brother, no. He's the one that put it out there. With catchphrase, a lot is expected very soon, very soon. That kind of thing with high expectations. And I said, let it come as soon as possible, because if you guys don't show us anything, then we will start talking about it. I'm not joking. I still have that in my mind, waiting for them to come up with that breaking news. They said that it's coming soon. This idea of, oh, show me who Ngozi is meeting. Oh, show me who she's talking to. You are not talking to anybody. What is the name of the congressman? What is the name of now? American president have acknowledged the USB communication, the letter, the communication between USB government headed by DPM Dr. Orabueze, and the letter have been made public. Now, let's just give some people a kind of a high hope. Like, imagine if Azahayo is the one that received response from the White House, direct official letter from American president with his signature, sealed, signed. Think about it. Oh, show me the congressman. I hope you guys have seen this, right? I hope you have seen that. I will remind you. So I'm giving you yes for now. For those of you that are coming on my live stream, before you put anything, one of the questions is, Have you received your own response from American president? You may think that, you may say, Kai, you are taking it too far. I am taking it too far because that is what it is, and that's the reality as we speak. But wait, some of you may even come up with this idea. Oh, it's not true. It's not true. It's up to you. But go and do your verification. And of course, as I must comment, because he don't, this kind of thing, he don't turn blind eyes in this kind of thing. He must comment. He will tell you that it's fake. I know they will come up with it, though it's fake. Because they think that everybody is a ruler like them. You think that everybody is for chief of forgery and author, according to our barrister. Barrister said that the guy have committed forgery and author. So, my people, is a kind of a happy moment, very, very exciting moment. You know, even though you may say it's just a letter, right? But as long as you don't know what confession is all about, I think you need to calm down. You don't judge book by its cover. How many of you, doubting Thomases, would have believed that American president will officially, respond or wrote to DPM? I remember the time of inauguration. Oh, she just printed it. Anybody can print it. Some, some did not even take their shower. They hardly dress up because they want to appear there. Some of them went there not to partake in the event, but to see where DPM is sitting, just to blackmail, just to cajole, just to, cause distraction and hate, of course. We saw some of them begging that the Arise mic should turn on them just so they can comment. Now, this particular news came up this morning, like I told you, and before then, there's a post that she made before breaking the news the way we have it now. And that post is where DPM, Dr. Orabueze, she made a post kind of revealing one or two things that is about to take place before this breaking news happened. And let's go through that, because after that, you can then from this post you can sense that something is hovering around, something is about to take place, there's a breaking news coming up before she now finally made the breaking news. As you can see here, she made this one. She said, if you are working on something that are real, some that you really care about, if you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. Okay? Dear friends, be happy. Our independence is not about any individual. It is the collective will and wish of the indigenous people of Biafra under the guise of the United States of Biafra that must be respected. Our success today is a testament of the wish of 99.9% of Biafrans that have decided to follow Dr. Orabueze and USB cabinets. And she did it with this dancing step. Let's watch. Well, I don't know this song. No, I don't want to flag this video. Let me see if it's worth sharing. So I'm sorry. And let's just watch how she's dancing, because the sound that will come after this video, this particular video, which I don't want. So she's just dancing with a dancing step this one that paints La Super like. this dance, she danced like this in the past. It seems like the same video, but I'm not sure though. I'm not sure whether it's the same or not. But every moment that counts. We have to count it. It's very, very important. So she's dancing here, and this dancing step, of course, will sense feverish condition to many directions. I'm just telling you. So if you're one of those, I hope you have your pills, so you can calm yourself, calm your nerves down, And don't forget chill water. Maybe you drink chill water before they take your pills. Feverish condition is gonna heal some people. Hey, see baby, see, little baby. All right. I swear, this people, DPM, hey, nah, ima about what they might do. Oh my man, these people love you. And they will be like, I need to give you name also. Like if you said that PM, nah, go as I can go blue man, blue wine, I can go. Oh my goodness. Uh, they believe it. They believe it. That is DPM there, with her dancing step. Let's see. Okay, this one is Castle. And if, I want to see if the second video we follow suit. All right, let me see this one, but I don't know about the sound. Taking on, I cannot take it because how will I move this voice? Should I move it from here? Let me see. This is pana track. I don't know how I'm gonna move it because I want it to. I don't want it to appear because I zoom it a lot. That's why I have to readjust it if it's possible. Okay, let me see. They will say kind of they're very wicked. I'm not wicked. I just wanted to enjoy the dancing steps. That's all. Madam Mori is saying on the bus come. They will not feel comfortable with this. All right. Let me just pity them. But also, so after this post and these dancing steps, then before the real breaking news now happened, and that is why we are here. I know I'm gonna share the letter from American president to you, in case you have not seen. Even if you have seen it, please see it again. Okay, I think she's saying something. She's, I miss. Let me see. That's it. Let me see if I can capture what she said. I've missed that part, to be honest, because I'm scared of the music. I'm kind of scared of the music, you know. So I have to be careful about it. Okay, Biafra, be happy we won this game. And why is such a? I hope you are the it's not madness in the so. Adamaka. So that is from DPM, That's from DPM, and we are going to go straight to another thing, very, very important. And we are going to move to another thing. Now, like I told you, after this post, the latest one, that is the issue. That is the main cocoa. As you can see here, she said, "Thanks so much, President Donald Trump. Thanks so much, President Trump and First Lady Melanie, for your letter to me. Truly appreciates." Okay, DPM. All right. So, like I told you, she made this, and this goes to show that she just want to share or appreciate the fact that they decided to, respond to her message. I don't know if this is the first one, or maybe there's some other response that have come that we don't know. Maybe she shared this one because this one is not all that sensitive. Maybe this one, she shared this one because this one is not sensitive to compare other ones. Because one thing about her people, if she did not share it, and maybe if I come up and say that DPM, received letter, or that somebody, American government respond to her, they will say you are lying, that kind of thing. That Ngozi don't even know get the man, like they normally say. Ngozi don't even know this, don't even know that. But I hope they will. In fact, I can't wait to hear what they will say. I can't wait to hear what they will say on this one. Maybe, I don't know, but I can guarantee you that some of them will come up with the idea is fake. They will come with, because people that are good at forgery, they will think that everybody can forge like them. That's just the fact. That is just the fact. So, my people, what do you think? What's your take? What is your take? Let's quickly go through the letter itself. Okay, let's quickly go through the letter, and what we have here. Let me zoom it. Now, this is the White House, Washington, February 9, 2026. February 9, 2026. Dear Dr. Orabueze, thank you for your letter and for sharing your views. The strength of our country lies in the spirit of the American people and their willingness to stay informed and get involved. I appreciate you taking the time to share your thoughts. For the latest information about my administration's policy, initiatives, please visit the White House website at this and that. Melanie joined me in sending our best wishes to you and your family. Sincerely, signed. Signed. Now, this message is from White House, and it carries Trump's signature. I can tell you, anybody that will come up with it, this their madness. Oh, this the one is missing there. Maybe they will say that Trump fingerprint is not here. She have been done that corner. Maybe where Trump eyes is not even in the letter. Don't mind them. Now, normal thing to say. So oye mmadụ ji n'ana ga na-amanịkanịka ejide gị na ndị ga na-amanịkanịka. I don't know if my voice is coming out because I'm actually just talking without knowing if you are hearing me or not, but you understand what I'm talking about. At the end of the day, you can relate with what I said. So please, I expect you to let me know what you think about this update. All right, I expect you to let me know what you think about the update. Do you feel happy, or are you one of those that are not sure about it? Because even if I bring a Trump voice now to let's say that he send a voice message, you will still say that it's doctored audio, that is not true, is not real. That in Thomas saw Jesus after resurrection and said that he don't believe. When Jesus appeared, what did he say? Thomas, come forward. Put your finger here on my palm. The wounds for you to know that I'm the one. Thomas have to pass through those process just to have belief. And just say that blessed shall be those that believe, that did not see but believe. Blessed shall be those that did not see but believe. So if you're one of those that always have doubt on everything, no problem, but you can conquer it, work on that, and let things free your mind from negativity, and you can flow without any hindrances. So please let me know what you think I said, and like the video, comment, and share your thoughts on all everything that we discussed so far. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Thank you.